I'm Palak Bansal. I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm a PGDM first year student at GIBS Business School, Bangalore. I hold a bachelor's degree in business management studies with my specialization in finance. I took a break after my graduation to explore what can be I doing after my graduation. So first I started working with Epicenter Private Technologies Limited as a customer service agent, and after that it hit me that graduation in today's time is just not enough to have a sound career, and in order to support that I searched online for a post-graduation degree and GIBS popped up on my search engine. So on researching more about GIBS Business School, it came to me that it fits my choices. It provides everything that I would like to have in a business school where I could pursue my ambitions. And that is how I came to know about GIBS. So Google provided some information, then I contacted here, and with getting in touch with the admission counselor, it really helped a lot. They provided all the details about the college, about the facilities, about hostel and the curriculum. Then after was our admission process, which consisted of the interview. Since it was lockdown and I couldn't personally visit the campus, I was a bit skeptical about what it might turn out, but I'll say that it's all as I expected. When I started my admission process, I remember it was a Skype interview with Ratna ma'am. So we spent a good 45 minutes to 1 hour on Skype knowing each other. She told me how she had the experience of being a teacher here, and also she asked me why would I choose GIBS and why would I choose a PGDM degree first of all, and what are my hobbies, my interests. So it was a very conducive environment to open up, especially for something as an admission interview. It was very friendly and very warm. After that 1 hour, I was a bit confused whether if I'll be selected, I'll be not, but the response time is very good here, and I was given a clear response that I'm selected by evening itself. Then we were waiting, me, my family, we were all waiting for the dates to be announced so I can come down here, I can stay here, and I could start my journey here at GIBS. So I did all the process. Meanwhile, I paid the fees, I selected my hostel, I just explored the area nearby, and finally the day came when I had to fly down here to Bangalore. So 18th August was the day when the session was starting with the orientation programs. So these orientation programs were specially designed so that in this PGDM there are students from various backgrounds. So not everyone was aware or introduced to the terminologies in commerce and the curriculum that we would come across, the kind of expectations we would have. So in order to put everything in that particular single bucket, these orientation programs were very beneficial. There were faculties that were coming around from different universities, from working backgrounds, industries, and they would give us a first-hand experience of what they did in their career so far. And that would help us have more clarity as to what do we want. Then when our orientation sessions were done, we began with our classes, with our lectures. We had our hostel, and the best thing so far that I've liked about GIBS, apart from the beautiful infrastructure that it has, is the faculty. The staff here, not only the faculty but the non-teaching staff as well, they are very humble, they are very cooperative. So there's one small issue, and I have personally seen it. I had a medical condition a few days back, so on the campus itself, and being away from family, and not many knew about it, but I see that all the staff members were there on the spot helping. They were all running around with finding a means to help me out of it. And I think that is one best thing, that when they say that GIBS is a family, it's not just a random statement made. It's meant to be like that, and it's something that I could connect to. Then when it started, like our classes started, our lectures started coming up, more students were joining in, and we had our extracurriculars introduced to us. Up till now, since it's not been that long here, we have 3 to 4 activities done already, out of which first one was an induction program. We were taken outdoors, and that was a group bonding. The entire class was one big team, and we saw everyone as friends. Then we came up with Savishkara. Savishkara, I was in the organizing committee. I was leading the organizing committee. So when we came up with Savishkara, we made sure that every single student from the PGDM first year comes up and cheers for their friends, and the ones who are talented would come up on stage. The fear of that opening up to new people would go away, and that somewhere has helped us bond as a class, to stand as one. Then we had our freshers lately, which was organized by our seniors, and I think that was a fabulous experience. We are planning now, societies are being selected, so we are coming up with more and more activities to be done. Then the one peculiarity about GIBS is the IRE, which is Innovation, Research and Entrepreneurship. It is a concept which most of the business school talk about, most of the successful degree holders talk about, but the students, they don't have that experience or grasp of that idea. This particular peculiarity here, every Friday's IRE is something which makes us excited to be here on campus. We can miss any day, we would still consider missing a Monday, but a Friday and a Saturday is something which we don't miss, because it is IRE. 6 hours of IRE, 2 hours innovation, 2 hours research, 2 hours entrepreneurship, wherein the faculties, they come to our campus especially to interact with us, to tell us what entrepreneurship is all about, to tell us how can we go ahead with the research, to build us into that thinking that we have a creative approach to the problems that are very monotonous in our lives. And I think that experiential learning that we get here in IRE is something that makes us stand out. Also, the finishing school personally has helped us groom ourselves into the person that we are meant to be, but we somewhere shy away from it out of laziness. So we would dress up and come to college every Saturday, and then in the finishing school we would be criticized on how our colors are not matching, or how we could better combine our shirts and pants and shoes, and as women how we can put forth ourselves in a better communication, build up our communication skills and everything. And I think this is something which makes me feel that yes, I did make a right choice.